Hi there, so this course will show you how to make amazing graphs in Excel that will really impress your boss and co-workers. So they're not only beautiful graphs, but graphs that are really useful, that really capture the data, really bring it alive and really help communicate the important messages from it. So my name is Keith Griggs. I'm a qualified accountant. I used to do this stuff every day for about 20 years. I used to just make loads of graphs for the board of directors and so on. And I just got better and better at it. And I'm passionate about Excel. And I really want to pass as much of my knowledge onto you as possible, and also my passion and enthusiasm for this amazing software. So I thought the best way of explaining what's in this course is to just give you a quick tour of all the graphs that I create during it. So I'll just share my screen with you and show you. So this spreadsheet I actually create during the course. I'm giving you a copy of it, and the idea is that you download it and that you create your own spreadsheet. Maybe copy and paste the data on the first page into your spreadsheet and see if you can create all the graphs by following along with me doing what I do in a step-by-step way. So for example, this is a bar chart turnover. This is it expressed in a different way by month instead of by branch. This is a line chart, and I'll show you how to format all this and why I'm formatting it this way and so on. This is a stacked graph where if you add everything together, it shows the total amount as well as the three components from the three locations. And this is the same thing but expressed in a bar chart, a stacked bar chart. This is a normal pie chart, which is one of the most popular charts and extremely useful in the right conditions, and you can also show it. So this is another one where you do it by month instead of by location, so just organising the data a different way. This is a scatter graph, which also shows a trends line or a line of best fit on it, which you can do very easily. And this is one of my favourite ones. This is one I used to do every month for the board, but this is a cash flow forecast. But the idea of this is that you can show two different series of data on the same graph, on a combo graph where one is bars and one is a line. In this particular case, and the line one shows is using the right hand axis, the secondary axis. So as you see, normally you'd show them like this on the left, which is not very useful at all. It's just a couple of squiggly lines. But this one, it really brings the data alive. And what this particularly represents, the bars represent the cash balance at the end of every month, and the line just shows the movement between the opening balance and the closing balance. And you can see there's a zero there on the right, so sometimes it's a negative movement, sometimes it's a positive movement, and this really helps you understand what's going on a lot better, and this sort of thing just really impresses people as well. So, and the final thing I want to show you is how to do a Gantt chart, which for example is organising a project. We have different people starting at different times and working for different periods of time. So I'll show you how to do all this. It's really quick, really easy if you just follow along with what I'm doing. Please watch the preview videos, and if you like them, please get the course, and I really hope that you get a lot out of it, and in next to no time you'll be producing graphs just like this.